4 smartphones will be released under the name of Galaxy S10, according to the Wall Street Journal. Devices will differ in design and characteristics. Interestingly, for the first time for Samsung, there will be models with a ceramic back panel. They will be released in black and white colors. Standard Galaxy S10 will be available in black, white, green, silver, or gray, and pink. The flagship display can get a big update. According to a report from ET News, the Galaxy S10 will receive a 6.2-inch OLED audio display. The lineup will also include the younger model SMG 970X with a 5.8-inch screen, while the S10 Plus will have a 6.7-inch display. There will also be some model with a diagonal of 6.44 inches. Samsung is unlikely to want to lag behind industry leaders who have advanced camera phones. According to analysts, the Samsung Galaxy S10 will receive 6 cameras, 2 front and 4 main ones. The codename Galaxy S10 is known beyond. Codenames are always important because they are usually an indicator of what the manufacturer intends to achieve with its new device. For example, the Galaxy S8 was codenamed Dream, Samsung's dream of surpassing Apple. Beyond probably indicates that Samsung is planning a rather large redesign of the device, and also intends to stop the decline in the number of sales of premium smartphones, which is observed in 2018. By the way, according to preliminary information, both processors will support work and networks of the 5th generation. According to Samobile, the top version of the Samsung Galaxy S10 will receive 5G support. It will also be equipped with a drive for 512 GB of memory. Facial recognition technology, while the S9 still has intelligent scan technology that scans the user's face. It is not as advanced as the Face ID on the iPhone. In addition, this lack of perception of the face also means that Samsung's R-emoji technology is not as accurate as the Apple Animoji. Release date: the presentation of the long-awaited news is scheduled for the February exhibition MWC 2019.